What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. As the title says, I'm going to make some rock buns or rock cakes, and I love these. Here I have all the ingredients. I'm using some unbleached all-purpose flour, but you can use any other flour. All right, you will need salt, raisin, baking powder, butter. Now it's my first time using this brand and I like it, but you can use any other brand, and you can also use some unrefined coconut oil instead. All right, you will need ground cinnamon, cane sugar, vanilla extract, grated nutmeg, applesauce, and shredded coconut. Now this shredded coconut is homemade, but you can use store-bought. After you have added the dry ingredients, make sure to mix this properly so everything is evenly distributed. The next step is to incorporate the butter into the flour, and you can either use your hand or a fork, and you just want to combine the two until this forms like a breadcrumbs consistency. Honestly, I'm not a fan of raisins, but because I'm not just making this for myself, I added a few, but based on your preference, you can add more or less. Once you have combined everything, you should get a consistency like this. Your butter should not be runny. So now I'm going to use a 2-spoon method to place a decent amount of the dough on the baking tray, and you can choose to make these a bit small if you want, but you don't want these to be too small. Okay, you want a decent size rock cake. So this recipe makes 8 rock cakes. So now I'm going to bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Believe me when I say that this will have your house smelling like a top-notch bakery. Honestly, this smells amazing. 25 minutes later, rock buns up and running, and these came out lovely. So I have one problem with the rock buns. Them finished too quick. Like, these were so good, they did not last a day in my matter of fact, in the blinking of an eye, these were finished. Like, these were so good, and that's how the inside look, and you can see that shredded coconut. The inside is soft, so flavorful, so good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all try and enjoy the recipe. Let me know if you do, and until next time, bless up on yourself.